Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Glorious Ventures. This is Gloria here. So today guys, I'm going to show you how to make a homemade cough syrup, and this cough syrup is good for the whole family. You only need 2 ingredients to make this homemade cough syrup, that is onion and honey. So without any further ado, let's get to it. So to make this cough syrup, we are going to use onions and honey. You can use red onions or white onions, or you can mix the two like what I'm going to show you in today's video. So we are going to cut our onions into smaller pieces. Then after that, we put the onions in a jar. Then add some honey and let it sit overnight, and the following day our cough syrup will be ready. This cough syrup is easy to make, it is cheap and effective, and it has no side effects unless you are allergic to honey or onions. It soothes your chest and it helps to remove the excess mucus from your lungs. So next time you have a cough, try to make this homemade cough syrup and see if it works for you. After cutting your onions, you put a few onion pieces into a jar, then add honey, followed by some more onion pieces and honey. You repeat the same process until your jar is full. So you take this cough syrup, a tablespoon 3 times a day, and for children it's 1 teaspoon 3 times a day. So if you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. For more content like this, subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching and stay healthy. Bye.